Now we're funky. Yeah. Now we're jamming. Alright. And what we got here? Right, now we have a little ending on that now. Right, so now let's go hard now. With the drums. Right, here we go. We got it. Hold on. Right. Tap. Right, here we go. Yeah, there it is. Nasty. With the drums. Yeah, and let's get this length from that, so it's trouble. Alright, we ain't playing now. Trouble. Rolling out, trouble. Right, we're gonna come back, we're gonna bring back this again, and we're gonna draw some more bass with it. Right, so let's roll that over, because that's just doing so lovely jubbly now, man. Repeat. Make unique. Worries. Right, let me get that right. Not quite right. Alright, let's get that right. Gotta go with the snares now. Good, sound heavier. Yeah, it's like boom, 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 doo, doo. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes, guys, big up. It's got to be something like that. Okay. Right, let's take a look at that bass line. Okay, so, and that, boy, it's just the time to go back around again. By the time we repeat that, again now, it's time. Get rid of all this on the screen. Time we repeat that round now, we've gone clear, right? If you've got any questions, guys, pop them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Or if something wasn't quite clear, you know, just drop a cue down in the bottom, man, and I'll get back to you. Right, so repeat that now. Look at that. And then that'll take us to 4:49, ready for a rollout. Okay, so let's hear this from the top now. Right, you see that? You see how that B line just come in on this piece here, man? Sure. I'm coming against it. We don't need that now. Maybe now. Right. I want to change up this beat because it's like boom. First one. So we need G there. Yeah, that's nice. Likability from the start. Right, what we got here? Hold on, whoa. See what I mean? Ghost tracks. Right, you know what? From the top again. Wait, let me see what's going on backside, man. Okay, peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up, man. Take care. God bless. Peace.